This aircraft is very special compared to other ones that we have done. Other restoration projects are typically just a general model of a certain aircraft, so it represents a lot of them. This one is a specific aircraft, so you have to get it right. And when you have pictures speaking specifically to like the artwork and all that, you have to get it exactly to a rivet, to the sizing, everything it has to be. Because if anyone comes in the future and looks at a photograph and compares it to that airplane, it needs to match exactly. From Dayton, Ohio, grew up here. Have my whole life always been interested in aircraft, building models, just woodworking, building all kinds of stuff. Went to college, got a degree in archaeology and started working for the National Park Service. And that was here in the Dayton area at the Wright Brothers sites. So still, aviation was a big focus of my life. Started volunteering here at the museum because this is something that I had always wanted to do, always came to the museum as a kid. Once I was here, I was given the opportunity to then go to A&P school to become an aircraft mechanic and then get a full-time permanent job here. Frustrating parts for restoring a one-of-a-kind aircraft is when you're working on an area that you don't have many pictures for. It's something that is going to be very visible to the public, and you want to get it right, but you don't know how exactly it looked on this aircraft back then. So when you go through video footage, old film footage, photographs, and you do find a little glimpse of what you're looking for, that's a big moment right there because you can actually get it correct. When you do a restoration, it's a really full, in-depth restoration. You try and do all the wiring, you get all the tiny little details correct because people in the future will come to see this aircraft and it'll serve as a kind of like a record copy for what it is supposed to be. So, you know, if they're wanting to get a certain information about an airplane, they can come look at this and see, okay, that's how it's supposed to be. So we really have to do our research and get things correct to get to that point.